Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, let's talk to you about how you can track steps on your iPhone without Apple Watch. But don't forget, friends, before you start watching the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and please write your comments. And let us be with you, friends. Let's get started. So if you don't have an Apple Watch, but you would like to know the number of steps you have walked in a day, how to do it? First of all, please find and open the Health app itself on your iPhone. After that, you will need to go to the Steps section. And if you see here the number of your steps, for example, for today and for other days, you see the statistics and so on, then everything is fine. Everything works for you without Apple Watch. If not, then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right, and then go to the Apps section, then Fitness. And here you can find the Workouts option. You'll need to open Workouts, and you'll be able to see how many, for example, steps you walked today or yesterday, because that can count in the Fitness app as a workout. So those are the methods. Dear friends, you will be able to track steps on your iPhone without Apple Watch. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to write comments and also subscribe to the channel and put your likes. See you, friends.